Armstrong.
And we are the kindergarten team. We are looking forward to teaching your children this year.
Here is the environment where your child will be learning this year. This is our kindergarten classroom.
Hello and welcome back. It's awesome to see our students' smiling faces back in the classroom this fall. I'm Kim Boland. This is my 25th year working for the Rainy River District School Board. This year I'm very excited to be teaching the grade 1 class along with Mrs. Fowler and Mrs. Drennan. This is our classroom. As you can see, we have a big, bright space. There are several sinks for plenty of hand washing. Each student will have their own Chromebook. And we have our own washroom. Thank you for using SeeSaw. It's a great way for us to connect and share. I would like to wish all of the DYS families, students, staff, and community partners a happy and healthy school year.
Hello, welcome to the Donald Young School's Grade 2 classroom. My name is Mrs. Ogden, and I will be working with your child this year in science, social studies, and visual arts. I hope we have a lot of fun exploring in science, making new discoveries, learning about traditions and celebrations in our community and in communities around the world, and having a lot of fun creating and designing in art. I look forward to working with you and your child this year. Have a great year for 2020 and 2021.
Hi, I'm Miss Galusha and I teach grade 2. I am excited to teach your children this year.
Here is our grade 2 classroom.
Hi, my name is Miss Ward and I teach grade 3. I look forward to teaching your children this year.
For a video showing you the classroom where your children are learning each day.
Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Daly and I'm new to Donald Young this year. I'm teaching grade 1 science and social studies, grade 2 and 3 phys ed, health, dance, and drama, and I'm doing some small group intervention. I'm looking forward to hopefully meeting everyone and teaching your kids this year.
I'm Mrs. Davidson George and I teach grade 4. The kids like to refer to me as either Mrs. DG or Mrs. Davidson. This year I have a wonderful group of students who seem really happy to be back at school, and I'm really looking forward to spending the year with them. I just wanted to take some time and show you what the classroom looks like. So if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact me either through SeeSaw or calling the school. Hope to see you soon.
Ms. Andrea Smith, and I'm pleased to be the grade 5 teacher at Donald Young this year. I'm happy to return to in-person learning, and I look forward to working with you and your child this school year. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact me through SeeSaw or by calling the school. Thank you. And now this is our classroom.
I'm Mr. Kinghorn. I'm new to Donald Young this year, but I'm really excited to be joining the amazing staff and students out here. On days 3 and 4, I'll be doing intervention, while on day 5, I'll be in Miss Smith's homeroom class. If you need to get a hold of me, feel free to contact the school, or for those parents and guardians of students in Miss Smith's, I can be reached on SeeSaw as well. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Kim Veldhuisen, and this is the Reading Recovery Room.
Hi, I'm Amy Spicer. I'm the Special Education Resource Teacher here at Donald Young School. Looking forward to a great year.
Hi, I'm Diane Carlson, and this is a literacy intervention room.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Language Assistant at Donald Young School. My name is Evelyn Fisher.
And I am Mrs. McFaker. I'm also a communication assistant here at Donald Young, and I look forward to working with some of your students this year in the speech and language program.
We hope to have a really good year, and I'm looking forward to seeing you all.
Bye-bye.
Hey, I'm Miss Lucas, grade 6 teacher at Donald Young School. I've been teaching for 12 years. I'm extremely grateful to be back in the classroom. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to message me on SeeSaw. Welcome to the grade 6 classroom.
I'm Melanie Williams, and I'm teaching grade 7 this year at Donald Young School. I'm happy to be back after being off for a year, and I'm very excited that we get to start the year in the classroom. Welcome to our classroom. This year our students are using their Chromebooks to be prepared in case of anything, and we're also sharing our classroom with the Ojibwe students with Ms. Guimon for the grade 7 and grade 8 Ojibwe classes. This year we have two excellent EAs to help us out, Mrs. Cochran and Mrs. Judson, who are invaluable to our success in here. Our goals this year are to work on mindset and talk about how we can grow our brains and learn to be as adaptable as possible. If you'd like to get in touch with me, you can contact me on SeeSaw. That's the best way. Take care, everyone, and thanks for watching.
Hello, welcome to the grade 8 classroom. We're the classroom all the way at the end of the hall. My name is Dave Dolsig. I'm the grade 8 teacher this year at DYS. Last year I was also in this class with a 7-8 split, and the year before I was in the portable during construction with a straight 8. I'd just like to welcome all the parents and the students to our school and our class for the 2020-2021 school year. Thanks.
Bonjour, my name is Shawnee Guimon. Shawnee Guimon Indigenous Ningabinu Dinikwe Indigo. Westwind Woman is my spirit name. I'm the Ojibwe teacher here at Donald Young School, and this is my classroom. I can turn it around. And I can't, so I'll turn my phone around. It's a little bit messy because we're in the midst of creating. Word wall, and we have to be careful about how much we have out, but as you can see, we have a lot of resources. Mama.
Okay, bonjour. Bienvenue, welcome. I am so happy to be back at school, and I'm so happy to see all of you, and I'm sure you're happy to be back as well. I just wanted to let you know that students aren't coming to the portable this year. I'm going to the homerooms, and so I travel around on my cart all day, and I'm very, very happy to be back, and I will be happy to see all of you when you are welcome into the school. Bonne journée.